In this video, we will learn how to generate code coverage for embedded applications in IAR Embedded Workbench IDE. With three simple steps, you can integrate ArcTracer tool and generate coverage report. Step 1. Enable ArcTracer tool and rebuild the application. Step 2. Test the instrumented application and save coverage data. Step 3. Generate coverage reports. Once you have installed the ArcTracer plugin for IAR Embedded Workbench IDE, go to the tools and you can see ArcTracer on, off, and to generate the report. For demo, we will use the Prime application and we'll do the functional testing in the simulator and generate the code coverage. Make sure that you can build and test the application in embedded hardware in case if you're using embedded target for testing the embedded application. Step 1, let's code and turn on the tool. Step 2, let's code and rebuild the application and test it in the simulator. So we have two options to generate the code coverage. Either we can go ahead and stop this debugging process after we run this program, or we can set the breakpoint and save the code coverage. For example, let's say like I want to save the code coverage when this line executes. Just set the breakpoint, right click, edit breakpoint, and add rk dump and open and close. Then the code coverage will be saved. Or I can just go ahead and run this application. So it's asking us to enter the input value 2 and 5, and then I'll go ahead and quit. Okay, so now if I stop this debug process, you should be able to see a rkmem raw file, that is a coverage data file saved to the project working directory. You can see that coverage data has been saved. Step 3, let's go ahead and generate the coverage report. So this is the code coverage report that has been generated. This is the landing page, and you'll see function, line, statement, and multi-condition. Just double click and it will take you to the source file with the three different colors: green covered, yellow partially covered, and this is and if it is in red, the part of the code has been not executed at the runtime.